Hey, it's Cornfu. I'm back. It's been a hot minute. This week, we're going to paint my buddy Kenny Wilson, #1 fan. I'm going to paint his water bottle. Kenny, you couldn't say, hey, can you paint me a canvas or something flat? No, you got to go with a freaking water bottle. I've never painted on a cylinder before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint a scene, 80s pop culture influence around this. So I want to maintain the beat battle or look at this poor water bottle and keep the Chase logo there. Chase does not endorse me. I do not endorse them. Just happens to be the name on the water bottle. Don't want to get sued. Don't even know who I am. So anyway, I'm going to take, I did sketch, rough sketch this. So I've got some other things that Kenny dug from that time period. Going to wrap that on this. I also took the same sketch and kind of did a composition, mashed it together just so I have color reference. I'm going to try to keep it bright primer, keep it simple, fit cartoon outlines, nothing crazy, no crazy gradients. I'm going to probably coat this with like a white primer or even just white acrylic, something I can sketch on so that I have a point of reference. I'm going to freehand it on there, but I still need some kind of guideline. I can't just hop down and just, yeah, that would be ugly. That would be catastrophic. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump in this and hopefully it turns out. Kenny, if it doesn't, I'll paint you something on a canvas, dude. I'm back. Kenny, thank you for your patience, buddy. Finally finished it. Your old Chase water bottle. I've got some of your childhood influences on here. Hopefully I'm not spinning this too fast. Yeah, turned out pretty cool. Reverse. Yeah, things that I would do differently. Paint you a canvas instead of a can. This is a pain in the butt to paint on. One of the issues was the texture that's on here, the rough, beat up texture. The dents and stuff are okay. Man, I don't know what you do to your water bottles, buddy, but whew. I tried to take off some of the loose paint, but it's still really rough. So it was kind of a little difficult to paint on. Happy accident. Some of the rough stuff like worked out really cool as far as textures go. So me personally, I like that. This is not a refined airbrush look. This is all hand painted. When you get up close, you can tell. Looks great far away. But Kenny, I hope you enjoy this. I had fun doing this one. We have like the same taste in cartoons and whatnot. A lot of nostalgia here. So hope you enjoy this. I probably would not put this in a dishwasher. I would probably put it on a shelf because I don't know how this is going to hold up. I clear coated it a couple times, but there's no guarantee with this. So it is what it is. Anyway, buddy, thanks for being a fan. Thanks for always watching. I'll get this to you as soon as possible. Let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, don't let me know. You can tell me whatever. We're buddies. But thanks for watching, everybody. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I put videos out sometimes. Trying to get back on a schedule. We'll see how that goes. Yeah. See you next time. This is not working out so well.